Hello dear children. Today we'll start second chapter of our English Alive course book, and that is Under My Bed. Children, sometimes we see strange things that do not actually exist. Now there is a little boy in this story who sees a tiger under his bed. This is really scary, isn't it? So what does he do? Let us read and find out. I wake up at night feeling thirsty. I want to get some water. I start looking for my slippers under the bed. Thirsty is wanting to drink water. So this little boy says that in the middle of the night he wakes up just because he is feeling thirsty. He wants to drink water. He wants to get some water. For that, he gets down off his bed and starts looking for means searching for his slippers under the bed. Oh my God, there is a tiger under my bed. Now the boy feels very scared. He was afraid. Why? Because he sees a tiger under his bed. Now what should I do? Should I call Ma? What if the tiger roars? Now the boy is in dilemma, what to do and what not. He is thinking, should I call my mother? What if I call out my mother and the tiger comes out? What if the tiger roars? So all these thoughts were coming in his mind that day. Should I just go back to sleep? But I am not sleepy anymore. Then he again thinks, should I call mother or should I go back to sleep? He said, but I can't even sleep now as I am not feeling sleepy anymore. Why? Because he was scared. He was not feeling safe. Okay. I hope this much is clear to you. Let's come to the next page. Then someone turns on the light. Ma is standing at the door. So when the boy was thinking about all these things, that what should I do? Should I call my mother or should I go back and sleep? At that moment, his mother comes and she switches on the light. What happened, dear? Did you call me? Asked Ma. Now, children, the parents love their children unconditionally. That sometimes they can even sense, that their children are calling them. So here the mother must have sensed that her son has called her. And then she asked, what happened? Is everything okay? Did you call me? I point towards the tiger. Ma bends and pulls the tiger out from under the bed. Now the boy, using his finger, quietly points out the tiger. Mother bends and pulls out the tiger from under the bed. Hey, there is no tiger. This is my thick yellow and black sweater. Its buttons shine like a tiger's eyes. Mother says, there is no tiger, my son. This is my sweater, which is yellow and black in color. The buttons are shiny, so its buttons shine like a tiger's eyes. I got scared for nothing. Ma gets me some water. So I got frightened for nothing. Now the child realized that there was nothing to be afraid of. He gets scared for no reason. So he asked Ma to get some water. Now I will sleep and dream about real tigers in a jungle. At last the child is happy because there was no actual tiger. He said, now I will sleep and dream about the real tigers that are in the jungle. So children, this story is about the boy's imagination. Okay, thank you.